gusto ko pinag-vlog pa naman yung hindi ko naman mag-tell this time of time was so fun dito sa may Santa Lucia. I'll see you there. Where's the fun? Where's the fun? Where's the fun? Ayan, bump car. Bump car. Ito ang mga arcade. Ito yung roller coaster. Ito yung carousel. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket. Buy the tickets here. Let's go buy. Ano experience mo sa bump car? Is it nice? Bump car?
He wants to drive.
Ha?
Gusto niya sana mag-drive kaso bawal siya.
Oh, bawal pa yung bata mag-drive dun eh kasi malakas pagkumanda. Yes. So,
ayaw naman nila may pagpagdaan. Pinabangga ko nga.
ayaw nga. Horror tunnel. Horror tunnel and the roller coaster. Ayan. Come on. Here. Dito na next. Ayan. Para hindi masyadong ramdam yung bilis harap. Ayan. Sasakay na sila ng roller coaster. With Izzy and Mommy. Ayan sila. Roller coaster. Yeah.
Ayaw ko na.
Yeah. Ayan na. Start na. Start. Yay. Ayan na. Start na ang roller coaster nila. Ayan na. Whee! Bagal lang oh. Bagal lang. Ah. Ah. Ha? Mga takot na yata sila. Natakot na yata. Natakot na yata sila. Yay! Yay! Woo! Dito tayo. Tingnan natin dito. There we go. Oh. Roller coaster ride. Ito naman yung horror train. That's the horror train. Horror train. Yeah. Wow. So brave. I see so brave. Wow. I see so brave.
Sabi na kasi, ayaw ko na.
Did you like it?
No.
But you were so brave. Give me 5.
Yay.
You did everything from go-kart, from bump car, from this, everything, huh? So good job, Mommy and Izzy. Yeah.
don't like anything else.
Come on. Next one is this. Magic train. This one. Hello. Hello. And here's the horror train. Yeah, with Daddy and Ate. See? Horror train. Yeah. Ano kayo? Matatakotin, napakalit na roller coaster. Natakot ko dyan. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, how was it?
That's terrifying.
Terrifying?
Then that's people. And then holding a line and then turning it out and then they're wearing a mask.
Ah, yeah, they're wearing a mask. It's not real, right? Yeah, you're not scared. You were not scared. Right? So, yeah. Mag-horror train kami dito. Diyan. Diyan na pumasok dyan. Ito, walang takutin. Ayaw. Yeah. Token na lang tayo. Token. Very nice. Good job. Give me 5. Yeah. And marami pang palaruan dito sa Worlds of Fun. Maraming ganyan. At na-try namin. At may mga stuffed toys. Try namin ng mga palaruan. Dami. Dami, oh.
You are such an excellent truck driver. Awesome! Item is delivered.
Yay! Item delivered. Excellent truck driver. Tickets one. Yay! Show what you want. Oh, napalalo na niya ballpen and Mentos. At ito, nanalo na ang tulog. So, ayan ang Worlds of Fun. We are at the Worlds of Fun. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe para like you updated. Ice cream. Ice cream. Whoa. Yummy.